Look out, Sophie. I'm filming. Well, good morning. So, that's pretty much where we're at right now. That's after many hours on the files. So, we're gonna hit it with the buffing machine here and see how it turns out. It may have to go home yet again. I made a new fixture bucket sort of thing with a vise on it to help me polish. I may have to sand. We'll see how it goes. Alrighty folks, let's see what we can do here. Hopefully this thing doesn't get away on me. Start with green rouge here, green wax, and see how it goes.
A few minutes later.
And don't be shy with this stuff. Not expensive.
Two very boring minutes later.
Well, it's coming. So I'm gonna work away at this, and we'll bring you back in a while. Bye now. Hey folks, Lionel, here it is, bud. It was been a bit of a test. It's by far the biggest pour I've ever done, and it was a real pleasure to do this. Unfortunately, I dropped it and it bent this a little bit too much, but I think we're okay with this. So thank you so much, my friend, for trusting, asking me to do this for you. It's been really cool. So I'll get these on their way to you, and you take care, my friend. Thank you so much. Bye now.